Well, I can only speak from my experience, but I'm sure there's going to be some similarities, I think, in terms of, how people feel when they lose meaning. And of course, the moment they come to realize that it's meaning that they're looking for, purpose that they're looking for their calling. So for me, to answer your question, I felt so empty and it felt wrong. And the difference was not because I was happy before. It was that horrible thing of, I've never been happy really before in my life, in my, work, at least in my work life, but I don't know whether I'll ever going to be happy. But definitely I knew what I was feeling. That emptiness was not the right thing, was not the right feeling for me. It wasn't meant to be like that. And you start looking, and that's a good trap. You start looking, what do I enjoy doing? Cooking, traveling, being with friends. These are the immediate answers that people come up with, right? And that's one of the myths that we're going to discuss about. We start going into interests and hobbies and passions and so on. And this is a good start to start reconnecting with the feeling we're looking, because meaning is not there, but it's not the solution. And what really helped me, and like you, I didn't have guidance. I didn't know how to navigate this transition in my life. I didn't know how to navigate this crisis I was going through. And I think a lot of people call it midlife crisis or early 30, crisis and so on. We all go through it, but nobody prepares us for it, right? Nobody says anything. It's a shameful thing we keep under in our closet, and we never reveal it to anyone at work, and we have no seniors to go to, no mentors.
Oh, did I lose?
13. Can you hear me now?
Okay, for a moment, just I lost you.
Sorry about that. So that's the UK and not good internet, no? For me, the difference was I was so frustrated around 2013 with my life. And obviously that was going on for quite some time before I got to the point of desperation and frustration that I had to quit. I picked up coaching. I decided out of the blue, I'm going to do coaching because that would help my clients. I had a lot of difficult clients to turn around and bring into new solutions at work. That coaching was really helping me navigate a difficult psychological terrain, change management, organizational development, all of that. So through coaching, through learning coaching, I was getting coached as well. And I discovered the industry of coaching by accident, entirely by accident. And through getting coached, the amount of tears, first of all, that came up, which was insane because there was so much sorrow and mourning about what I was losing and what I have lost, I felt, which was myself. And then those moments where you can actually think for yourself. Coaching has given me the ability to reflect on what the hell is going on in my life. Why does it not feel great? What is really that I'm looking for? And those honesty pockets in my life were the ones that started moving me forward and made me realize that this career was not the right one for me.
So what I hear from you is that it's important to be honest with yourself, right?
Entirely. There's no other way. Honesty is the most important thing because it's amazing how much we lie to ourselves. We lie to ourselves every single day. And that's a big topic for another talk, perhaps. But those moments of honesty and integrity can make a huge difference in how we make decisions. And of course, career is a huge decision.
Right.